Were
Yes,
you
guys.
outside again? How did you get there so
Yeah.
quick?
Nah, I just walked outside.
You.
So now second try, maybe to work better this time.
Did the watch chase you out? You say, praat nou te loud.
Nah, the budget inside. But now I went live again. So yeah, I was your
I
trading
should
day.
be fine now because I'm not echoing. You're not echoing. My phone is not doing the proper move. Let's leave that for another day.
Yeah. I was your trading day.
When I didn't try today, man. I didn't see the opportunity today.
Mm.
Can you share
You
a
didn't
screen?
you
And
can?
it fixed. I'll show you
Yeah.
something. You see here, like even like over here, um, see that's the 1 day candle. Nothing. Didn't do nothing.
Didn't you activate the buy day?
I wanted to, like, it's US 30, and I wanted to earlier meeting. So yeah, I wanted to take it. I could have taken it here when it came at about 7 o'clock. I wanted to take it the winter there. Then it came down here again. It was 9 o'clock. And if I don't know, at 9 o'clock, I just finished eat. We were gonna do this moves now. If I
Yeah.
took this buy here, because I even put an alert there. See, there's a alert 38230. There's it went to 38215. So my alert was there to alert me to
Mm.
in this section. If I took it over there, say yeah, I would have made about 120 pips now. We've been chilling.
Mm.
We've been chilling. But you have to be. You see, like you have to be like between like this is between 4:30 p.m., which is yeah, say 4 o'clock to
Mm.
the right this section over here. That's working hours, bro. It's just that it's not your working hours, it's their working hours in New York.
Yeah. Mm.
So that's working hours. So I must be here for the working hours. Hold on, honk my door phone coming out.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro. Yeah, man. So that's what that is, man. That is working hours, bro. Now I said to
Mm.
you also early on that Nas wasn't gonna do anything much today. Or US City, and if you open up the 1 day for the day, that's all it did.
Mm.
Because yesterday was this. That Saras is still chilling there. They don't want to let go yet. They're gonna let go when they start to see how much resistance is gonna is here now. Yeah, that's what they're gonna do. They're waiting to see first, and then they'll push it up.
Mm.
But what makes me a bit happier is that it's gonna go up. I can put it higher up actually, because I think it's gonna go up now and then maybe fall again. But I like that it's gonna go up. I was just scared it was gonna keep on going and to here and to there. But I think it's gonna and same thing with gold also. That was just news, obviously. But yeah, I mean, I wanted to. You see, no, I can't. I don't have the paid version, so I can't do that. But you see, US 30 moved up is moving up now. Nas is also moving up now. But you can actually see this that Nas gave already all that puppies. And you go to US 30, it first came down and then continued.
Mm.
You see that? Okay, with all that, the US30 first came down and then continued. So when NASA is moving like that, you can actually wait for the U30 to do something like this, and then you can continue with it. Then you can buy here because you know that NASA is pushing up already, S&P is pushing up already, but US30 gave one more bearish move for you to come in and buy, and then
Mm.
you can click that same move all the way back up to wherever maybe to here. That's so cool about what I've been doing lately. If I miss NASA's movement, the continuation, I just wait for US30 to
Yeah.
give me the same thing. Tell me, listen,
Yeah.
let's go away. If you even if you waited here, look at this here. This one is 9:45. Next,
Yeah. Yeah. Can hear you.
this next one here is also 9:45.
So if you miss it, on national, you want to university and see university.
Yeah, most times, yeah.
I actually had I was so stupid on my setup today. I was so stupid on my setup today. So I saw a break of a structure at about I was on the chart at about 4 o'clock today.
Bro, we
I
with the
saw
end.
a I saw a setup at about 4 o'clock. Alright.
Yeah.
I saw a trend on a 5 minute. I saw a trend at about 4:20. So African time outside. 4:25. Um, the 5 minute candle before market open broke the trend line. Didn't break it by much, but broke it.
Hmm.
I entered at my stop loss. I was able for one. And it shot up. I had my stop loss already set. And then my goal was to have, as soon as it reaches my 1 to 1 or my take profit, I was going to take like 90% off and leave 10% running. I go on to MetaTrader. I'm like, let me see what's going. Let me see what's happening. I want to deduct this now. Take off 90%. As I'm doing it, I'm seeing the thing is decreasing, decreasing, decreasing while I'm on my phone. I
Yes.
go back. I go back onto the charts. I'm like, boop, here, touch my entry, and then go further down. I'm like, hey, this thing's going down. I'm gonna close 50%. I close it in 50%. And then I was like, okay, fuck. Maybe no. Sorry, I put my stop loss at break even when it reached 1 to 1. And then it knocked me out. I was like, okay, I was at break even. Then I saw it up on UK 100, but that was my second downfall. My second downfall was that I wasn't watching UK 100. I was watching NES for like an hour. It's like, oh, past three. I was watching NES. But then I watch UK 100 and I see it up in 2 minutes. I take the setup and then it was in drawdown, and drawdown, and drawdown, but it never reached like 50% of my 50%. Let's say it was 100 pops down and I was aiming for 100 pops up, but never reached 50 pops. So I was like, okay, I'm still in it. It was roaming around my entry point, and then it shot up. It reached like it reached almost my take profit, but I was also busy with some other work I was busy with while I was watching the chart. And I see it shooting up, and instead of putting my stop loss at break even, I needed I was just busy. I look again, I'm like poop, I'm knocked out. I'm like, yeah. So now 1% down today. Where what I should have done was if I took my take profit when I put my my first mistake with Nasdaq. If I put my take if I put my take profit and my stop loss at the same time, it would have knocked me out at 1 for 1, and I would have been done 1% up. And if I won the trade on Nash, I would have taken my UK 100 trade, and I would have been up today, but I didn't. Every time when I aim for more, this happened. Greed, greed kicking.
Yes.
That happened.
Yeah, you must just be patient, man. Like even today, like even with me, like I was patient, too patient, and
Yeah.
I missed. But
Oh,
it does come, you know. It does come. It's just that you just have to wait. Even if you miss a move, it will come because that's just what the market gonna. The market will give you what you need, bro. It's gonna give you what you need. No matter what you do, it's gonna give you what you need.
I saw that
You
there. I
must,
saw your status also when I was thinking about it. I was like, greed, greed. When I saw your status with
yeah,
in regards to in regards to if you to give you every day what you need, don't aim for more.
yeah, yeah. But I
Because like
mean, like,
if you take a look at like also like one of the the traders I always watch, Raja Banks, he just aimed for 10 pops and then he's done. His 10 pops, what he did 6 years ago, is the same what he did now, but the
just
difference
the
is he
size is
started.
bigger.
He started off with like a $700 account. He's now on like a 8 mil account, but he's doing the same thing every single day. Win or
Yeah,
lose, input in pops, input in pops, input in pops. If you see it reversed, then he closes. He does give his trade a second chance sometimes if it goes back to entry, which I could have done. But I mean, at 10 pops, you're 10 pops today. Let's say you make 100, and you do the same thing within 2 years. That 100 can be 10K,
yeah.
but you're still able for 10 pops.
Where you are you? Why is your camera off? Because you're giving it a little puff.
I'll take it a little fast, yeah. Let's take it a little
Hmm.
fast.
You don't want the
I was busy. I was busy since 3 o'clock. I stopped at supper and then I went again. So I haven't been. I'm building website for clients.
oh, is it? Oh, why? That's lekker. This is some
Yeah,
extra income.
yeah. It could be the you know on Monday. You sent me through the confirmation and I started building today. Let me show you my trade. Let me show you my
Oh, there
trade.
you. Back inside again. Good notes. Grab a scoop.
Let me show you my trade I took today. Um, so that was this one. It was about yeah. So this candle here. Let me remove it. This is what I saw. Right. So trend. I was on this at about like 4 o'clock already, like about here. 4 o'clock. So trend started. Right. This candle broke my trend line. Right. I then entered at about the stop loss was about there, and my take profit was about there. When it reached this level, it was a quick one. Oh, it was market open. It was a quick one. When it entered about there, right? When it got there, I was trying to get 90% off, but I just shot back down. I was like, man. Wait, if I
But
if
down.
when I yeah, I took it. Well, at this point when it reached here, I put my stop loss at break even. What I should have done was if I just like for the last month now, so since the beginning of February, I just been aiming for one, and it's been working for me. Today I'm in, get my 1 to 1 out, done for the day. You know, But today was the first day I was like, nah, let me go for more. And because I went for more, this happened. So I think tomorrow I'm just gonna focus on that. Because when that happened, when that happened, I immediately jumped onto UK 100. UK
Out of
100.
plan.
Yeah, when I jumped onto UK 100, okay, there must be a setup for UK 100. And then I saw something like this. But yeah, what all possible. Um, something about the year. That was about something like that. Something like that. And then I took the long year stop loss about the 1 for 1 was here, right? So I
Yeah.
took it about there, took it about here, ended, put my stop loss there, and then it went up, came back down. It was plain here around the whole time. It's what plain here the whole time around. And then it shot up here. And then I was busy, and then I was watching it, but at this point, because look at it's just a wick up and then back down. So at this point, when it reached here, I had to add my stop loss at break even. Because what normally happens is what I'll do is when it reaches about 50%, which is about the let me just get the right one for you. When it reached about here, when it reached about there, I normally add put it at break even. Add my stop loss back to break even. Because if it does come back down, then it's gonna go the other way. And
Yes.
so be it, knocked me out. And I was like, man, fuck. So yeah, that was my losing trade today. But my next trade should have been a winner. My next trade should have been a winner.
Next will always be a win. Let me show you something quickly on this. I've got two things to show you. I'll show you something quickly. So you see, so you see here, no? You see there. See this over here, right? It went up. That's 10 a.m.
Yeah, yeah.
10 a.m. in the morning, between maybe say 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then 10:30 or 10:15 a.m. It went and then it resisted here on the line and then continued. And then the half past four came. It was here, open market here, double. So bearish and a bullish battle. Then it continued up and then resisted. Then it came here and then it resisted there. Then even tonight also, look at this. Like this is only this year, this over here is only a fake out. That
Hmm.
see, you could take a buy right here, 7 o'clock. But the reason why we don't do it because we are unsure that it's going to fall further. That's the only reason why we don't do it. But now to be able to know maybe to take something there because I don't know where I was 7 o'clock, but I never took it and I should have. But I think if you go up to say 1 minute even and you go look right over there, you can see that this is where you take your buy at that particular at that moment. You can see it came down, resisted, went up. This came again, then resisted again, and then went. Now, usually, what I would do when I open up the 1 minute is I would wait for you to make like a head and shoulders type of thing almost, Well, not necessarily head and shoulder. You don't have to call head and shoulder. You know what we can. You know what this is. This can just be. This is this is in my opinion a higher. This is a high low, right? And then that is, or this is maybe a high low two. Then it went up. Then a higher low, and then a high low or a small high low, whatever you want to call it. But you can see already that it already is. If this was the last time, because it was one, two, tied to break the look here, no man, wrong one, look here, it fell there. See that over here? That's over there, right? His yesterday came down, went past there, thinking, okay, it's gonna go now. You will buy here, but maybe not. Just like just give that a moment for you to realize, okay, not now. Then it is yesterday. You if you miss this, in my for me, I say, okay, I missed this. I'm gonna see what comes back. And then it comes back, maybe no. You can maybe hold it. Okay, I'll hold it, and then you see if we're gonna go now. I don't go. I come back. So all that institutional hedge fund owns, they come and they take that out. Now you say in your mind, it's gonna fall further down, right? Gonna continue.
Mm.
Doesn't continue. Not today, sir. Then that is where you do another line. Now you see, okay, maybe if I'm it's going now, but maybe it's gonna pull back here in the little section over here. So maybe I don't buy now and just see what happens. Maybe I'm not buying today. It's already 7 o'clock already, or 10 past 7. I'm not gonna worry. Here consolidate here for a second. And now, in my opinion, this is where you would buy because you're already there, consolidated there. It resisting to go further there. There's already order blocky. So you buy there. And you know what? It never even looked back there again. So ideally, just and you can even take it back, say take it back an hour. Okay, you can see that there's major resistance over here. Might take myself away, man. I'm like so the makaag. But you see what I'm saying?
Mm.
So for me, a 30-minute, but you can even can see the one, two, and then the wind. And even if you don't get in here, that's where you want. This is where ideally you get in because that is such a strong, you know, hammer of a bullish. It is that tried to engulf that. It tried to engulf this bullish candle, but it didn't. This was a half an hour, and then it opened here, and it went, and it resisted there, and then it went. Could have gotten in easy over here, but again, 4 o'clock. But if you look at the times, bro, if you look at the time, it all displayed on the 10 a.m. vertical line. I faked out over there and went, and then you bought, and you could have bought there now. You look where it is going. This here is this over here. This over here is very volatile
Yeah,
because this is
that's
how
where I
this is
got in here.
between 4:30 and say 5:30. Yeah, very volatile. It's the best time to get in, but very volatile. I still believe 4:30 is a cool time to get in between 4:30 and 5:30, but very volatile.
Yeah, I got
Like
in it
today,
about that time. Yeah.
yeah, which is fine. I mean, listen, every day is a new day. Every day gives you a different thing. It's not gonna. It's just different, but it's very volatile because
Mm.
you could easily taken that sell down here and gotten yourself 150 pips easily. But now, conversely, if you were just patient enough and you were chilling, you had a little supper, a little smoke outside, whatever you did, and you waited till 7 o'clock and you took that buy over here, you've gotten much more and still continuing. And even if you missed that and you got in over here, you got in 120 on pips, you see, which is still
Mm.
fine. And that's obviously not going to grab all of this liquidity back now. So my thing tomorrow, nothing I'm going to show you, is that tomorrow is this. Tomorrow's the retail sales tomorrow, which is very important. And unemployment claims coming through tomorrow. So they're saying tomorrow the forecast is 219. It's just going to be one less than last week. But this is important. Retail and the Empire State Manufacturing, these two. Not because it's a red thing. It's just that it's because that it shows how the businesses are, like it says over here, how the businesses react to the market conditions. And at the moment, everything is fine in terms of the market.
Mm.
So
So what you expecting for tomorrow?
I think you wait like you always do. Um,
Like your afternoons.
yeah, I think we wait like we always do. Look at going up now, 87. So it already took out the 5 o'clock time already. So if the momentum is there already, this time of the night, normally people sell this time of the night to close their
Mm.
accounts. Now that means because hey, Hoppers, it's almost time to go home. So I think tomorrow, and I mean this now with 100% certainty. I'm probably not going to take it back. I think people will make money tomorrow, but where's the thing? Goodness gracious. Yeah. So I think tomorrow it will more likely to go back down to the next 10 a.m. Test the wait, I'm doing it wrong. Wait, no. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go here to 10 a.m. Right? I'm gonna do it right. Yeah, and then do that, and then test here, and then continue. But I don't think it would come to do this, man.
Mm.
Do something like that. So maybe we'll see. We'll see. But I think it's gonna put likely go back up tomorrow. Most
So you
likely.
say tomorrow bye.
Yeah, I think so. But let's wait until post 10 tomorrow to be actual to be very sure what London is gonna do. Cause like what should maybe do now till we go up now but see almost 800 again. So what should do now is continue to go up a little bit maybe to say 840, just for example, and it will do this all night, consolidate, right? And then 10 a.m. to maybe go a little bit to here, and then go up, test here again where 10 a.m. was, and then continue. I'm thinking. We'll see.
Mm.
Or maybe it just continues. I don't know. But I think tomorrow's a buyer.
So you thinking tomorrow's a bye for the
Something
backup.
like such. Something like
Oh,
that, yeah.
if you take a look at this, let me just show you, bro. Yeah, this is a daily.
Daily, yeah. The nest.
Yeah, this is a daily. So look like it's just one. Say one, two, three touches. So yeah, you take a look on the daily, it still look like a torn out trend.
Yeah, that's for sure. So the buys are there, bro. It's just that we want to get in on the signal. My bum is getting sore. And the bunky, man. Yeah, easy. Simple.
Yes, this is what I'm just looking at now.
I can't see so liquor. Not because it's wrong. It's just that I can't. Can I zoom in? Oh, yeah.
yeah, I think you can make it full screen.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, easy.
On the so yeah, I mean different strategy, but still the same. Still see the
So,
same thing.
so
So yeah, so that's what I'm seeing now.
zoom in there
Uh,
in the corner there, but the higher low, yeah, the top corner.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You see, like even like there, you can see like ideally you want to get in by that wick
yeah,
where you do the yeah. What number? What's the number there?
that
Seventeen
is
four eight five.
7. Yeah,
Yeah, that's a spot, bro. Because even if it does come back here, the thin line, what thin line does is it pushes it up higher. So even if it does come there, it won't go to 48. It will because the thin line is higher. You know what the secret is to that is that when like if you look at your thin line, right? That you
yeah,
just drew now. Every trend has a tip, right? At the end of it. So when the tip gets so when the market moves up like that in the uptrend and it gets closer to the tip of the trend, there might be some sort of change. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, yes. I suppose it's getting that though. Like I would, like personally, like I would probably get in at about there. I stop loss about there, but it never touched. So my end would be like 17.55, but it never touched there again.
Yeah. That's normally touch there again. The only time I come and touch there again is when it's about to start to fall. But I won't come and touch there again.
But would you hold it?
Yeah, sure. If I got in there at 45, I probably would. Because like this guy was saying in the group as well that a new only lasts a day. It's true,
Yeah.
but it's a new can also be the catalyst for continuation. Like when that guy was the one of the guys I saw said there's something about like um he got in right at the bottom there, so he did, so the news doesn't affect him. I don't know if you saw that because he got
Yeah, I saw
in
that. Yeah.
right. That's because he got in when there was already news 2 3 months ago or whatever, 2 months ago. So he's holding that catalyst. So
Mm.
whatever news comes in now was already is now. You got in that time. Whatever you do now based on fundamentals is going to lead you to to um, to a new heights until those guys come and take out liquidity at some point,
Mm.
which they normally would do. But as you see, but as it goes higher and it starts doing that, and it goes to the tip of the thin line. Eventually, now starts to find it creates that battle between two bulls and bears. At some point, it's gonna fall, which is normal, you know.
Yeah, I guess we just have to wait. What time is it? What time is it tomorrow though?
3:30 again.
3:30. Okay.
Mm.
You wanna
But it's not
watch
gonna
it?
happen like it's not gonna happen like it won't happen like instantaneously. Let me show you something.
Yeah.
I like that chart though. That chart looks cool.
Where is my chart?
You must just stick to the plan.
Yeah, it's difficult sometimes. It's the plan.
That's a cool chart. I like it. I like it very much. I have something here I want to show you. You see, you do the thin line at 485, right? This is 485. Yeah,
Yeah.
485. Check where my vertical line is. 467. So it's the
Mm.
same. The same. So we know what, ain't no doubt about that. But look here, a touched here, right? A few times, okay? And it continued. So the chances are we coming to touch here and continue again is very likely. They
Mm.
really did it here. I mean, this was the 6th of Feb, and this was the 5th of Feb, and this was the 2nd of Feb, this was the 31st of Jan, and then this was the 13th of Feb, right? That this did that. So the chances of it coming back here to here now is very likely, and they continue going up. But today, but lately I've noticed that things happen so late. Look at here now. Look at that.
Sure.
This was after the news. This all happened after the news. This was news. News took a lot. News took a lot. So it likely is gonna come maybe down and touch here again, and they continue. And you can do that easy, like I did yesterday. I did this. I'm gonna do it here. That's one of my main accounts, one of my main analysis place. This is also one of the main ones actually. Okay, I do this one. All of it are actually the main thing, man. But yeah, man, I think like it's most likely going to. Okay, there's this one. I think they're most likely going to. They're most likely going to. They most likely will go further, man. But you see,
Mm.
if you look at the one day, which is now today. So today is Wednesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, it didn't. It did. This was Tuesday's low, okay,
Mm.
and then this was obviously Tuesday's high, okay. So it didn't break past, yeah, and it didn't even fall, yeah. So I'm like gonna close in this section now. So tomorrow, I'm thinking that this will be now tomorrow's low, which is it's a given now, and maybe this will be tomorrow's high. Okay. So tomorrow the one day will open up. Tomorrow the one day will open up here. Okay. And then it will most likely come again down to just here. Why I say this here? Because this is there. There's support over there. You see that support over there? Let's change
Mm.
that color. Let's make it a black. Like black. Brings out the color. Okay. So that will be tomorrow's candle. And even here you can see why it's resisting over here because that candle over there. So I think tomorrow's candle will be like that. So it will open up here, go to here, a little bit to there, like that, and then continue higher. Maybe just do that. So maybe just do there. Maybe who knows? But I think it will do. Will continue maybe to there. But it always first pulls back
Mm.
before it goes
I mean,
further.
same here.
It just doesn't just go. You know, I mean, look here, pull back, pull back, pull back, and here wasn't a pullback. Here was even close here low. Here was a pullback down, a pullback there. Always pullback, right? So, or it's going to open up where it's at now. Well, I look like it's another hour to go. So you just adjust it as you go along, obviously. So you move it up there, and then tomorrow opens up. Then I highly doubt, guys. I highly doubt scandal is gonna engulf the scandal. So if this candle closes, say this candle closes over here now, just for example, we're not gonna go higher, but say it goes here, I highly doubt that this candle is gonna do this. Highly
Mm.
doubt it. Highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. Like it's just not possible because it already broke free here. Already broke free here. Now it's a bullish candle there. It might even just do this tomorrow. All right, but I highly doubt that it's gonna do that. So what happens to now? So now, uh, so now what we do now is that you can see where I do my line, Migre. See there, Migre.
Mm.
So tomorrow it's most likely going to play a bit around here, like I said, come down to round about there again. Maybe a bit higher up, who knows? Always see this is what you call drawdown. So you must be able to hold that. You can't get it precise. So maybe it goes there or whatever, but maybe it wigs out like that, but then it's gonna most likely gonna do that. I don't see it
So,
going here.
so you thinking when it reaches at 17,693 enter buy?
Yeah. Because you can even can see listed at this particular number today. Today.
Mm.
The resistance this was resistance on 13th of Feb and of 2024 and a fell, which was today. No, today. Oops. Right? So today, now my brain is tired. So the 13th of Feb and a fell. Then it came back up over there. Then it started to support here. You see?
Yeah.
So the resistance became support. Then it did that. It faked out to the institutions and the hedge funders and the hedge oaks, they said, I'm going to fund you now here. I'm going to knock you out here with SLs, and then I'm going to take you further up. And they'll most likely do the same. I just think that it might even go, I think that in maybe an Asian market will maybe go a little bit higher because so that maybe it goes to maybe there, and then maybe this can become, they can take down to 800 or 750 there around. I don't think so. I don't think it will go that high to be honest, but we'll see. I have to always wait and see. We can't predict the future, but
Mm.
it's gonna go up. I doubt it's gonna go. I doubt it's gonna go positive. Cause what do you think? I doubt it.
Yeah, well, look it on my side as well. It was higher lows, higher lows. But didn't want to break the previous higher low. You know what I mean? Which is about 17,097. It didn't break that. So for me, it's still in the uptrend. Personally, that's what I see.
Now we could analyze the charts and we can do all of that. We can say it can do this, it can do that, it can do this, it can do that. The only thing is, where do we make our money? Okay, because today we didn't make our money. I didn't enter anywhere
Yeah,
whereby I should have. Anywhere here I should have entered. Anyway, ideally even here. What time was that? 7 o'clock. What was I doing 7 o'clock? I was eating at, no, what time did I eat? 8 o'clock. I don't even remember. I'm watching Said Worcester. But ideally, you get here in, and then, but this something make you nervous. But why would you get in here? That's the first issue. Now, you go to a 4 hour, and you find that you find your support, and your strong support for an uptrend is this. That's what it is. So you get in here at 6:30 and you put your SL. So you would do this normally, right? You'll do a long. So you do that, you did that, go to there, and then you put your SL at about below, I would say below 600, about 580, because the whole numbers are important. If it goes down below a certain whole number, like which is in this case um, 5 600, so maybe like you put your SL maybe at 580, then you're like, okay, wait, let's first see. That even that was on Newsday, so that's a different day. You don't focus on that day. And even this year is support based off a CPI, based off a strong fundamental day. So, and all of this year, even like all of this year, the year, all of this is 4 hours of support, not 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Is long term support. And look at here. This was first. This year was first resistance, then it broke out, then it came back here, again resisted here, and now there's again support here. So you must buy. You must buy here now. There. You must. Even put a even put something here to remind me that it's time to buy. There. You must, bro, because that's support now. And plus, this support over here was only used one time. One, two, and then broke past that support. Now it's being used again. So you must buy here. You must, bro. You must.
Listen, guys, I'm get tired now. I'm gonna go crash now.
Yeah. I'm also like a move.
What I wanna say now?
Mhm.
Like we can have. I'm thinking the night one is a bit hectic though. But like we can talk when the house is quiet. Maybe so from 2 to 3 in the afternoon.
Tomorrow weekend? I'm not gonna go
Yeah,
anywhere tomorrow really, I don't think.
yeah. So maybe from 2 to 3. But I'll message you.
Yeah. But tomorrow's a buy, bro.
Yeah, 100 I'm seeing it also.
Tomorrow's a buy. I think we should be able to, but we should have got it in today and hold it.
Nah,
But are we gonna hold it? Nah, nah.
nah. I think I'll just wait tomorrow, man, for that setup.
Yeah, I don't. We don't hold. We do. I don't wanna hold the buy. I wanna hold the sell. It's
The
so
drop
high
is
up
nice.
already.
The
Yeah,
drop
it's
is
just
nice.
oh, I don't want to hold the buy. I want to hold the sell. But hey, US City gave 800 pips yesterday. CPI sell, and now if what we say is true, if what we say is true, you see how they? If what we say is true, before we go, see that here. If you take it from the top, you would have made all that 800 and something, right? So what we say is true. The buy started there to take all that back up and even beyond. Because if it goes up now, it will go beyond. It has to go beyond. So you have to get in here. So we wait for the pullback tomorrow, which is around about here-ish, and take him. Take him. take him all the way up because we have to. But the main thing is still, I think, um, the south. But
But
like,
you
remember
think
when
it's gonna come soon? I think it's gonna still be a while before that's all happen.
no, yeah, for sure. You can even see now, like with CPI, it's gonna be a while, but it's fine. Just we just grab the ins and outs, build the accounts up, like because now we know now that there's gonna be a continuation of buys. So what we do now is just buy. So you don't have to worry about is it gonna fall now, tomorrow, it's gonna fall. No matter what the news is gonna say now, it's gonna be fine. But what I can say is we gotta be very um, we gotta be what's the word, mindful with the Fed because now they're saying that the Fed is not going to cut the rates anytime soon. They're only gonna be start cutting rates in July, and that's what maybe will create some sort of uproar. But I think the cut rate means I wanted to show you something, man. I'll show you tomorrow, man.
Yeah, now we can speak tomorrow. I'm going to
I'm gonna
sleep
show you
here.
tomorrow something what I did. I'll show you tomorrow.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll do it in the we do it tomorrow 2 till 3, 2 till 4, whatever, or 2 till 3. This is
Okay.
cool. I like this. We must do it more.
Nah, and it is, yeah, that's what I said. Maybe do it in the afternoon. I'm tired. Maybe I can also take a trade while we are talking.
Yeah, because you can take. We're gonna do it before you fit your wife.
Yeah.
Well, because you can do it like at Starnes also one afternoon.
Then what?
Chill there at the back.
Must get a quiet spot though, no?
Yeah, but if you never earphones in, then you can sit opposite me,
Hmm.
or we can do it just all on one screen.
Yeah, we
We'll
can,
figure it
yeah.
out, man. I like to do something. We want to do it. I want to do it more often, and I want to do it like cool spot with like coffee. I always wanted to do that and sit and chill. A cup of coffee. I mean, when I don't drink, that'd be cool. Anyway,
Anyway,
we'll
guys,
chat tomorrow.
speak to you soon. Alright.
Speak to you soon, brother. Assalamu alaikum.